Hello, my name's Professor Brett Davies. Well, you're building your deed of variation to amend your family trust. You build it, you print it out, you sign it, you've got the minutes there, you've got our letter of advice, all got in the company secretary file, you're very excited. You've made 3 copies, one for the accountant, one for your secretary file, and one to keep maybe in your bank safe. Are you required to register or put your trust deeds or your deeds of variation to some universal registration process? And the answer is no. Your deed of variation, much like your family trust, is kept as your records. One day, a government department or a bank may want to see the original trust deeds and all the deeds of variation. And you've got to keep all of them. So if your trust deed was created in the 60s and it's been amended 17 times, you need 18 original deeds, all in a big pile. I've seen them that high, about that high. You need originals. If you go to a bank and one of those is not an original, the bank will not open a bank account for your trust. So it's vitally important. So even though right now you're building virtually a complete update of your family trust on our law firm's website, you still need to keep all your old trust deeds, but you don't register them anywhere. And at this point, you should do an audit to make sure and check with your accountant that both he or she and yourselves have a complete list of all original trust deeds. They're vitally important. In fact, they're more important than title deeds, because for a couple of $1,000 you can gazette and advertise and have a title deed replaced if you lose it. But you can't do that with family trust deeds. So they are priceless. Look after them and make sure your accountant has full copies of them and they were original. If you're in doubt, telephone us. We're a law firm, we can give